Hey guys, how's it going? How to check comments and views on YouTube Shorts. So first of all, go ahead and open up your YouTube and then find the short that you want to check and tap on it, and then below the video you will be able to see the view count display, right? And below the video, of course, and then tab to view comments. Just scroll past the the video. Here you will see existing comments and you can add your own. And remember that the comment section may vary depending on the creator's settings. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.